only Wednesday. Rest assured you're all going to be in for a mood swing, from Janhvi Kapoor's house help testing positive for COVID-19 to Anushka and Virat spicing things up with their shenanigans, Salman's secret escapade around town, Priyanka featuring in Nick's latest music video. Bollywood has packed it all in a special delivery just for you. Fans, family and friends of actress Janhvi Kapoor were caught holding their breaths when it was revealed that her house help tested positive for COVID-19. Following the shocking revelation, Daddy Boni got chatty with our bees, where he assured, "My children, our other staff at home and I are all fine and none of us are showing any symptoms. Sending a virtual hug to you guys. Stay safe and hang in there." Meanwhile, one person who has not been wholly sticking to the four walls of his house and his huge property is none other than actor Salman Khan. After 60 days, the actor made a flying visit to the city after taking the requisite permissions to drop by his Galaxy Apartments residence to meet his parents and ensure that the relief works his father has been overseeing continues uninterrupted. And while we're talking about quarantine and lockdowns or the lack of it, Pooja Bedi was back making headlines after she expressed her displeasure with the place she and her fiancé have been kept in on their entry into Goa. She even went on to share videos from the quarantine facility, pointing at the lack of hygiene and sanitation in their room. Calling out her diva demands, trolls had no qualms poking fun at her while she retorted saying, "I didn't want that people without corona come into this facility, get infected there, and then bring corona into Goa. For me, the intention to speak out was to bring forth the condition of the facility, and it should have been taken in the right spirit." Right on you, Pooja. At a time when Bollywood is ushering in the digital age, it seems that it is the dawn of the dinosaurs for Anushka Sharma and Virat Kohli amid this extra long lockdown. Taking to her handle, Anushka treated her fans to all her hubby's shenanigans as he found a hilarious way to while away his time in their Mumbai love nest. Anyone in need of a hunky T-Rex? Because this bee has found the perfect candidate. In other couples news, it seems that Priyanka Chopra turned camera woman to record her husband Nick Jonas as he shot the music video of his latest track, Until We Meet Again. The clip features Nick singing alone by a scenic hillside and hitting all the high notes in this soothing melody that inspires hope. However, the best was left for last when the lady behind the camera, PC, popped in to say hi and got a hug and a kiss for her help. So in the words of Nick Jonas, we could be miles apart, but you know I'm never too far, my friend, until we meet again.